Hi, today I'm making a fall charcuterie board. This is a French word, and so that's why we are pronouncing it that way. So, this is a fun little meat, cheese, and fruit platter that I've added some cookies and candies to. I'm responsible for bringing this board to a girlfriend's house. So, this takes about 15 minutes. What you're going to begin with is two Honeycrisp apples. I have chocolate covered raisins and Reese's peanut butter cups. I have red grapes. I also have two types of cheeses and salami. I'm using almonds as well as maple leaf cookies. You can get these from Aldi. I love these fall cookies. Their shape make them perfect for a fall board. I'm also using rosemary crackers, again, kind of seasonal. And the main thing about this board is that you really want to just arrange everything. You see here, I have arranged my peanut butter cups and my yogurt. I covered raisins. I've placed those in a small glass container. I have arranged my cluster of grapes as well as my crackers. And when you're making the roses for the salami, the way that you go about them is you're going to take 4 pieces of salami. You're going to next fold those in half. And you fold them in half. And once you have them folded in half, it stays a little bit creased. You're going to take them and roll them into a circle like you see here. And then once it's you've gotten it into the circle, it looks like a rose. I use a toothpick and then I'm sort of skewering the salami and then placing it on the board. And you see here I have it sort of nestled between fruit or the apples and some near the raisins. Again, you can use any kind of fruit that you like. I did something because this is a fall board. This takes, again, maybe 10-15 minutes to make. And once you have all the ingredients, it's perfect for what I'm doing, which is sharing it with a group of girlfriends today. So happy fall.